here's the setup we have for testing this transmission. We have a strap connected to each of the flanges, bolted to each of the flanges to lock the differential. And right now we have it in neutral, and we have a tool for turning the drive shaft. Go ahead and put it on. And it rotates freely right now. But when we put it into second gear, and he rotates the drive shaft one way, he rotates the drive shaft, causes the problem to occur, and he rotates the drive. That's basically the wrong direction of the drive shaft. When he rotates it the correct way, it still happens, but if we pull on the shift rod just a little bit, and then he rotates it the correct way, it doesn't happen. But he rotates it back the wrong way again, it happens. Rotate the correct way again, and it happens again.